learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And we're in a fresh new month, a fresh new year, and we have a fresh new idea on how to teach Hakka to you. With certain subjects, we're going to teach you situations that you might get into. And for this very first month, let's talk about having a meal together. 我们这个月呢，会开始用一个主题呢，来带一些话进来，带一些这个状况。
我们要演戏喽！
对。所以这个月呢，我们都要教大家一件常常会做的事，就是一起吃饭吧。
穷哈来去吃饭啦！
穷哈来去吃饭啦！穷哈 that means together 一起来去这个来去来去吃饭 that means to have a meal. Okay. So a lot of times when you haven't seen a friend for a long time, 我们都会说好久不见啊，然后最近好吗？然后就会怎么样约去吃饭了。
对，
我们太爱吃了啊。好，怎么说好久不见？
按久冇看到。
按久冇看到 ，OK， that means long time no see。其实英文现在大家也听得懂这句话 ，long time no see， 好久不见，按久冇看到。And then the reply might be, yeah, how are you lately？ 对啊，最近好吗？
错啊，按久好冇。
错啊，记得错啊是对哦。然后按久好冇 ，that means 最近好吗？
对。
How are you lately？ And my response could be, well, let's go and have a meal together and we'll talk about it. 我们一起吃饭吧，边吃边聊。
穷哈来去吃饭啦！
穷哈来去吃饭啦，就是我们刚刚教的那句话，对不对？然后
近吃近讲。
哦，近坐得很近，坐得很这样子吗？不是啊，近吃近讲，
边吃边聊。
Oh, is that right? Sounds like you're nearby something in Mandarin, but it really means in Hakka, that means while doing this, we do that. So while we're eating, let's talk. 边吃边聊。
近吃近讲。
近吃近讲。
海陆腔近说近讲。
近说近讲 That's a different dialect for let's talk about it while eating. Let's review these phrases. 好久不见 long time no see.
按久冇看到。
按久冇看到。最近好吗 How are you lately?
按久好冇。
按久好冇 It's all about 按久就是最近哈。And 边吃边聊 Let's talk about what we eat.
近吃近讲。
近吃近讲 And it's all about Let's have a meal together. 一起吃饭吧。
穷哈来去吃饭啦！
穷哈来去吃饭啦。Alice， 我们常见面，还是要一起吃饭了哈。
好，你请客。
That does it for today's Practical Hakka。
是我太敢。
按子say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.